Welcome to Global Business Summit 2023, organized by Business Connect magazine. This is Abhishek Mishra, your host for today, and we are honored to have all of you, your team. Sir, please brief our audience about your company, profile, and services.
Hello everyone, I am Sandeep Gupta. So we are representing Alobha Technologies Pvt. Limited. It's a 9-year-old IT service company. So we deal in software development services like app development, website development, CRM development, ERP development, blockchaining, 3D rendering, gaming, and we have a team for the digital marketing also. For more details, you can refer our website, which is www.alobhatechnologies.com. Thank you.
What do you think are some of the most exciting innovations in your industry right now?
Yeah, Mr. Ashish will explain.
Okay. Thank you for giving this opportunity to express like what we are thinking and what we are observing from last 3 years once the COVID has started, and this has given opportunities, created more opportunity because of the problems, because any innovation starts once we feel any problem there. So in the last couple of years and in coming years also, what we have feel like everyone wants to do the automation, and with the help of new technologies like AI, machine learning, and all that, we are able to do the things on automation way. Apart from that, like what we feel during the lockdown, we are just shut down and closed to our offices, and we are there at our home. So we feel that we have some digital platform from where we can go to our childs can learn the things. Their schooling cannot be interrupted. We can go and find out the things which we require in our daily needs. You can say that e-commerce things. So there are many new technologies has been introduced, and through which we have just trying to facilitate the things, and we are like in a domain where we are creating new innovation to make the human life easier through IT supported solutions. Thank you.
Can you describe a trend that you see emerging in your industry over the next 5 to 10 years?
Mr. Naveen will tell.
Yeah, this is Dr. Naveen from Alobha Technologies Pvt. Limited. So as for me, the upcoming technologies and upcoming future of India, world, you can say, that is metaverse and blockchain, gaming, etc. Mostly the government and another party is also supporting to AI based all the solutions here in India. So what will be happen? Future, we will be purchase the property from India by using the metaverse. We will see the farmhouses by the using metaverse technologies and purchase from the India. So sale and purchase, exchanges, each and everything is going very easy by using the technologies. Thank you.
How do you think new technologies will impact the way we work and live in the future?
That is, everything is going on the automations, on the machine learning, because now India is really going to be digital India by the dream of Honorable PM. So definitely everything is going on the automations in each and every areas by the ML, machine learning, and IoT based solution.
And how would you quote the experience of today's gathering?
So first of all, I would like to express my thanks to Business Connect team for organizing this lovely event, and you guys have provided a great platform where we can come into contact with the other domains. We can know that their expertises, and we are here to, like, basically, as your name suggests, Business Connect. So we are here for the connect, and we are here to rule the world globally by representing India. Thank you.
Thank you so much for giving us your precious time, and it's an honor for us that we are here with you. Thanks a lot, sir.